This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make your marshmallow big, easy method. Hold the marshmallow gently on a long skewer and expose it to even warm air about 6 inches away. Rotate slowly so heat distributes evenly and the interior softens before the surface browns. Stop heating when puffiness increases and the center is springy. Let cool briefly to set shape and enjoy your larger marshmallow carefully and safely. Gather a long skewer, a gentle heat source like steam from a kettle or warm air from a hairdryer on low, and a timer. Patience matters. Apply steady, even warmth rather than intense direct flame. Rotate the marshmallow so all sides expand consistently and watch for a golden surface only after most puffing occurs. If overheating begins, step back and allow cooling, then reapply warmth briefly to refine the shape. Try steam first by holding the marshmallow about 4 to 6 inches above boiling water and rotating slowly for even expansion. If you prefer dry heat, use a hairdryer on low at about 6 inches distance and move continuously. For a toasted exterior, quickly flash the surface near a flame after puffing, but avoid prolonged exposure to prevent collapse. Practice different timings to find the perfect balance between fluffy interior and lightly crisp shell.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.